So Snapbridge with the Z50ii. While the camera is connected to your smart device over Snapbridge, it will relay your GPS data, so it will tag geolocation, like GPS, and your photos and your EXIF data, so you can see locations in Lightroom. So to do that, you need to go to the Network menu and go to Connect to Smart Device and select the Wi-Fi and establish Wi-Fi connection, and that will turn on the Wi-Fi in the camera. Then you need to go to your smart device, open Snapbridge, and it will ask you to update the app if there's any updates for it. Always get the updates. Personally, Snapbridge isn't that reliable, so I always give it a thumbs down because I swear it always disconnects whenever it's not supposed to. So go to Download Pictures, and it will give you the prompt on what to do to connect to your camera. Open your device settings and go into your Wi-Fi options on your device. Select the camera, it will connect. Sometimes it'll say connection, hit connect, and sometimes it will say connection failed, and just tap on the camera again and it will connect. Then you can go into your files and download all the different options as you want for RAW, JPEG, HEIF, or video files, and then just select the files that you are looking for. You can also preview them in the app as well. And then whenever you're ready, just hit the download button at the bottom of the app screen, and you can do original format or 8 megapixel or 2 megapixel. So to download photos, roughly takes 7 seconds per RAW file to transfer to your device. And then whenever it comes to transferring video, a 14-second video clip of 4K 30 10-bit H.265, it took about almost 2 minutes to transfer. So not the most efficient way to transfer video files. So when it comes to the Nikon Imaging Cloud for uploading directly from the camera, you have a third tab in the Snapbridge app, and you want to hit the Get Start button to download the Nikon app for imaging. So make sure you click Sign Up, then it'll boot you to your web browser. And then you can go here and just create a Nikon ID and just follow the prompts all the way through with using an email address that you prefer, or you could also sign in using Gmail. And then you have to scroll through the Nikon agreement and you have to go all the way to the bottom and make sure you click Accept. And once you do that, it will send you a verification code in your email, and then you can just put a nickname on your account, whatever your preference is. The rest of it is not required. And then you can go back to the Snapbridge app and click Login to Nikon Cloud and log in with the information that you just created. Once you are logged in, you need to install the Nikon Image Space app. So you just click that in the top center of the app screen and open your app store. Then just click Install on that, and then once that is ready, just make sure you open it from there, and then it will preview photos you have on your device as the background. And then there you go, you're logged in to the app, and it will show you local photos on the device you're using and a total uploaded to the cloud. To upload images to the cloud from your device, you have to go to Upload from the top right, ellipse, and then select the photos you want and just click Upload again in the top right. And then you can create a new album, call it whatever you want, and click Upload. Once you have your camera connected to the Nikon Imaging Cloud, which I recommend following Nikon's actual step-by-step video on that, you can go on there and you can run through all the different Nikon creators, people that have accounts that uploaded their recipes for different looks to photos and video. And once you find one you like, you can select it on their account and click Add to Saved Recipes. Once you have a couple that you really like saved to your recipes, you can go to your saved recipes and select them and do the batch operation. And whenever you hit the drop down, you can select to register it to your camera on the account. And then as soon as your camera connects to Wi-Fi the next time, you will be able to update your picture controls that will automatically download and reflect that in the menus. So to do that, once you have selected them, go to picture control in the camera when you're connected to the Wi-Fi, scroll all the way down, and you go to Cloud Picture Control Files, hit the plus magnifying glass icon, and it will download them from the network, and then you'll have everything that you selected on the website. So if you press the Custom Controls button on top of the Z52, you will have your options to pick right there. So if you found this little tutorial on Snapbridge useful, please hit that like and subscribe. Coming up, we're going to have a dedicated video on the photo aspects of the camera. So until next time, best of luck. I'll see you out there.